Hey 30-minute marketers, today's video we're going over affiliate marketing 101. Going to do this step by step, and we're going to think about long-term mentality and how that equals profit. If you're new to the channel, I'm Gary Baker, and I'm here to show you how to do more to market your message in less time. And to do that, click the subscribe button, ring the bell for notification of future videos. Also, check out the link in the description and in the pinned first comment for a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint so you can start your own online business today. And remember, it's not about faster, it's about focus. And like I said, today's focus is on affiliate marketing, the 101 series. And we're going to do this step by step, and we're going to think about the mentality, a long-term mentality, and how that's going to equal profit in the long run. And where does that all start? It all starts with mindset. Right up here, right here, between your ears, right here, these things between my headset, your mindset, the mindset that you have as an affiliate marketer. Not just an affiliate marketer, but as a marketer in general. When you're thinking about making money online, which is what affiliate marketing is, you have to have the right mindset. You have to be thinking long term. You have to be thinking real business. As a matter of fact, I'll put a card up here that clicks through to a video that talks more about mindset. I highly suggest you click on that and watch that one. But we'll continue on with a step-by-step here. But just understand that step number one is the correct mindset. And that mindset is long-term, thinking long-term, having a long-term vision, understanding that it takes patience to get into profit, that it takes patience to build a business. And that's what we're doing here. That's what you're here for. You're here to learn how to build a real online business and use affiliate marketing to build the foundation of that business. Step number two in this process is your niche. Understanding what a niche is. Understanding how to do niche selection. I'll put a card up here, and there will be a playlist about niche selection. I cover that a lot on the channel. So again, click that card up here. Watch all the videos on niche selection. But just to cover it real quickly in this video, so you understand what niche is and why it's so important and why it's step number two. Your niche is the problem. Your niche is the solution to that problem. Your niche is the audience that's looking for the solution to that problem. You understand how all that works together. A niche is a group of people with a specific problem looking for a specific solution, and that's what you're providing. Those are the people you're looking for. That's the mindset you have to have, the mindset that you're helping a group of people long term. If you think about affiliate marketing in the short term, if you watch videos and people tell you to go get an affiliate link, which is a link to a product that you post onto Facebook, and then when people have a problem or they ask, "Ooh, I wonder how I could do this thing they want to do," and your answer to them is, "Oh, click my link." First of all, that's not marketing, that's spam. Second of all, you're not thinking long term. You don't have the right mindset. You're not thinking about your niche. You're not thinking about helping the people with the problems that you have. You're not taking the time to put in your research. You haven't done your niche research. You don't understand your audience. You don't understand their problem, and you don't have a real solution for them. You just have a link that you might be able to make a few bucks off of. Step number three, build a website. You don't build a business on borrowed ground. And yes, affiliate marketing 101, long-term thinking about building a real business, which affiliate marketing is a real business. It's the foundation. It's the start of your business. You may later on move into your own products, but initially, if you're learning this marketing thing, affiliate marketing is the best way to start, but you need your own website, okay? You need your own place to build your content, to have people to come to understand your message so you can connect with them. Okay, so don't overthink this one. Yeah, think long term. Try to find the best deal you can, but don't spend too much time on looking for a great deal. Just go to HostGator, go to Bluehost, go to GoDaddy, because most likely, like myself, I've used all three, and I'm thinking about changing again. It's just part of doing business. It's part of the things that happen in the background, but you do need this. You do need a website, and you do need to have a place to call yours. You need your storefront, your own business, your own property, your own place to do business. That's your website. Email. Yes, you will hear a lot of people say that there are better ways to communicate with people. Start social media, right? Build a Facebook Messenger. chatbot. And I don't argue with those things, but email is still here today. People still do business via email. Email is not going away. You need a real email address. When somebody contacts you to do business with you, they want to see your name and your business name, .com, .net, something. They want to see that you are a real business, and real businesses have email. Even affiliate marketers have email addresses. The biggest and the best affiliate marketers that you see out there have their own website, have their own email address. Okay? And also, when you're talking about email, you're talking about email follow-up. You want to capture other people's emails, and you want to follow up with people in their email inbox, because their email inbox today online, their email inbox is still that little private space of the internet that belongs to them and belongs to you, and it's where you can have a one-on-one conversation. So in this step-by-step affiliate marketing, remember and think about collecting email addresses, and that goes back to your website, that goes back to your niche, that problem, solution, and that audience, and it goes back to what's up here, the mindset, thinking long term, and email marketing is thinking long term. YouTube. You're here right now watching YouTube. YouTube's one of the best places to interact with people, where you can actually talk to a person one-on-one. I'm talking to you right now. When I open up my video, when I open it up, my intro is, hey, 30-minute marketers. Today's video we're going to, right? And I say that. Yes, I'm talking to a group. Everyone knows when they're on YouTube that I'm talking to everyone, my entire audience, my niche on YouTube. But I'm also speaking to you directly because we're having this conversation one-on-one. You were looking for affiliate marketing 101 step by step, and you found it. You found this video. This is the power of YouTube. Don't think that YouTube is like every other social media platform. YouTube is very specific in the fact that you can communicate one-on-one in a big group fashion, but you're also directly answering a question. The question I'm answering in today's video, Affiliate Marketing 101, step by step. I'm going through the steps of exactly what you need to do, and the step by step, part of the step-by-step process of Affiliate Marketing 101 is to use YouTube. So think about it. Learn how to use YouTube. Learn how to use YouTube effectively and efficiently. It will be a pillar, a foundation of your business, just like email, just like your website, just like your niche, and just like the mindset, because we're thinking long-term, trying to get to where we want to be as an affiliate marketer, building a real business. And the last step inside of the step-by-step mentality, the step-by-step process, right? The mindset, the step-by-step is rinse and repeat. Think about all these steps. Think about every day you're showing up on YouTube. Every day you're showing up and doing email. You're emailing your audience. Every day you're updating your website. Every day you're looking at your niche. You're thinking about your audience. You're looking at their problems. You're updating the solutions to make sure that you're helping them with their problems the best you can, because it's not a set and forget thing. Affiliate marketing is passive in the fact that, yes, you can build funnels and you can build these automated sequences once you get moving, where you can communicate with your audience and they can click through these links and it's all automated in the background. But you have to constantly be rinsing and repeating your message and making sure that your problem is well identified, your audience is well identified, and that your solution is helping that audience solve that problem the best they can. So rinse and repeat is the final step. All right. So now that we've gone through all the process, let's take a look inside at the way it actually looks now that we've talked about all the steps and we've gone step by step. So what do I mean about thinking long-term and identifying your niche and doing all these other things? First things first, when you're talking about identifying a niche and thinking about something that you want to do, ask yourself, what do I know? Not what I don't know, but what do I know? What can I do? Not what can I not do? Okay? Think about the things you can do. Think about how you can help people. This is what affiliate marketing is, all right? This is identifying your niche. So, for example, currently, as I'm shooting this video, I was actually thinking about pizza, and there's these cool things called big green eggs, and apparently you can cook pizzas on them. It's like a big barbecue grill. So I was thinking, how do I cook pizza on a big green egg? Okay? So you need to look at this. Now, this is Mostly it shows up the recipes for big green eggs, but look at the questions here, what people are asking. This is the mindset you're having right here. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about rinsing and repeating. These are the kind of things you're going to do as an affiliate marketer. You're going to go to a place like Google and you're going to ask it a question. How do I cook a pizza with a big green egg? Okay, how do I cook a pizza on a big green egg? What temperature do you cook pizza? How do you heat up a big green egg? How can you use the connector as a pizza stone? Okay, just look at the articles here. Think about what people are looking for. Think about how you can help people solve this problem. Because again, when you're doing your niche research and the mindset is you're looking for people with problems. The problem that I have right now is I want a pizza. And I also want to cook a pizza on a big green egg because I think it's cool. Okay, so don't always think that a problem is something that is like the end of the world problem. It's not a health related issue. It's not something that if somebody doesn't solve, then they don't know how they're going to make it to the next day. Right? If I don't get a pizza today on a big green egg, I'll probably just go to Pizza Hut. But that doesn't solve my curiosity. Yeah, I get a pizza, but I still want to know about how to cook pizza on a big green egg. So if I'm your target market, if I'm your target niche, if I'm your audience, if I have a problem and I'm looking for a solution, it's cooking pizza on a big green egg, which is basically a barbecue grill. So when you think about all these concepts and all this stuff, Affiliate Marketing 101, step by step by step, we went through the steps, and I want to make sure that you have that information. But then you look at what does all that mean, because you got to get into the technical mumbo jumbo and you got to have a vision. You got to have the mindset to build out all these pieces. You need a YouTube channel. You need a website. You need products. You need email autoresponders. Ignore all this other stuff for right now because we're focused on the foundation of our business, which is our website, our email autoresponder, our email address, and our YouTube channel. But this is what it's going to look like. So these are the things that you have to have the mindset for. You have to have the patience. You have to have the willingness to learn how to build a YouTube channel, how to build a website, how to set up an email autoresponder. And these are all things that can be learned very easily by utilizing YouTube. These are also things that you can buy coaching for. These are also things that you can just figure out on your own just by going and doing. Okay? Don't be afraid. And here's part of the mindset. Don't be afraid to just do something. You're not going to get in trouble for doing something. It doesn't work unless you try. I'll put a card up here to a video that I just did recently, talking about the number one reason that you're not making any money online. And I'll just go ahead and give you a little hint. It has something to do with trying. So check that video out, all right? But this is what the basic idea of your business is going to look like. Affiliate Marketing 101, step by step. Once you have the correct mindset and you're thinking long term and you're thinking about how am I going to generate profit? Because at the end of the day, I get it. You want to make money doing affiliate marketing. That's why you're learning all the things about affiliate marketing, because you want to make money. Okay? So think about learning YouTube. Think about how you're going to create something on YouTube. Think about how, in this example, I'm going to learn how to cook pizza, and I'm going to show people me cooking pizza on my big green egg, and I'm going to create a YouTube channel about that. On my YouTube channel, I'm going to say, hey, if you think you want to cook pizza on a big green egg, because this pizza is awesome as you're eating it, right? Look how great it is. Look how much fun this was. Click on the link in the description, right? The same thing I'm doing here, but it'll be in your specific niche for your specific audience, and that is their problem, that's their solution, and that's what you're going to be doing on YouTube. That's how you do affiliate marketing. You do affiliate marketing by finding a group of people that have a problem and then helping those people, and then providing them a solution, driving them from YouTube to your website, getting them on an email list, following up with them. And later on, you can do Facebook, you can do AdWords, you can, make sure you're doing your website, set up SEO, create a blog. All those things come, right? Remember the mindset. This is long term. You have a long term thinking here. Here at 30minutemarketing.net, a lot of people get caught up in the 30-minute marketing. 30 minutes is about focus. It's about, hey, I have a task at hand. Like I'm shooting a video. I'm going to set aside 30 minutes and I'm going to do everything I need to do to shoot my video, edit my video, upload my video. That's what 30minutemarketing.net is about. Using 30 minutes at a time to get things done. Okay? It's not about faster. It's about focus. It's not about faster, faster, faster. Find a button to push. Let me make a lot of money. It's about focus, about mindset, long term. Okay? Then, of course, a great thing to do when you're in this mindset, when you're doing this research and you're doing your rinse and repeat because you've gone through all the steps that we just covered, you have the right mindset. You've identified your niche and you're focused in. You understand your audience, but you need to make sure that you are rinsing and repeating that step, right? You're making sure that you're staying connected with your niche. So you go to a place like ClickBank because you need products as an affiliate marketer. So we'll go here and we'll just type in pizza on ClickBank. And here we go. Easy barbecue recipes, right? 50 mouth-watering slow-cooked meals. Then you have to think here, okay, so we're going to start off with pizza, but as you can see here, when you start going through here and scrolling down, you're going to see a lot of things in here are going to be about keto and other diets. But the first thing when I discovered pizza was easy barbecue recipes, okay? So you may not be able to find something on ClickBank, or you may find out more about your audience on ClickBank, because the people that build these products, generally speaking, not always, not everything on ClickBank is a great offer. Not everything on ClickBank is something you're going to want to promote as an affiliate, no matter what the average sale is, no matter what the gravity is, which is basically how well it's selling. No matter those things, there may not be a product for you on ClickBank, okay? So don't think that just because you have a problem that you go to ClickBank and you find a solution and that's going to be your end all be all. Think about your mindset, your mindset, your long-term plan. Your long-term plan is building an audience and helping that audience. So you may need to create your own product, but you can also keep digging to find other products. Go to Amazon. Now, you'll hear a lot of people tell you that Amazon doesn't have the best affiliate program, and this is true. Their commissions are rather low. Applying to be an affiliate, you have to jump through some hoops, but you have to do that with anything. You're talking about using somebody else's business. You're talking about promoting someone else's products. So you're thinking long term here. You're going to say, okay, well, I'm going to cook pizza, and I was talking about a big green egg. So if I look for a big green egg on Amazon, you're going to see other things here. Ultimate egg style grill, crafted to be better. So this is some red knockoff of the big green egg. I don't know. Komodo Joe may be better. It may not be. And this may be a thing. I was talking about grilling pizza on the big green egg because I know the big green egg. But hey, Komodo Joe may be a better option for me. It may be a better option for your audience. So think about your audience when you're rinsing and repeating. Part of when you got started, you were focused on a big green egg, but now you know about Komodo Joe. So you're going to go through here and you're going to look at the options, okay? But another thing to think here is you have books on big green eggs. You have charcoal starters. You have all these products on big green eggs. So you have all these accessories. So you're going to be doing that when you're rinsing and repeating, when you're identifying the solution and the problem. When you're identifying the problem and providing solution, all these things are solutions to your problems. This is the step-by-step of affiliate marketing. This is the research that you're doing. This is the platform that you're going to use. Again, Amazon may not be your best option, but it is an option. So think about your options. Remember, mindset, think long term. You may have to start with Amazon as an affiliate, and then you may grow from there. Okay, remember, you're creating your own website, so you're creating your own information. You may be able to create your own product later down the road. But Affiliate Marketing 101, step by step, is mindset. Understanding your niche, and then moving through all the other things and building your own foundation of your own business. Because affiliate marketing, have the right mindset. Affiliate Marketing 101, step by step, long term equals profit. Long term thinking is equal. It's going to take you to profit if you have the right mindset. So think about all these things. Think about all these steps. Remember, rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat is about every step of the way. Doing the research, understanding, updating your solutions. Updating, making sure you understand the complete problems. Updating, understanding, making sure that you're very narrow in your audience. And then if you need to widening it or even making it even more narrow. Okay? These are the things you have to think about. These are the things that you're going to be doing, rinsing and repeating. So these are options. Amazon.com is a great place. It's a great affiliate program. Again, it doesn't have the giant commissions like maybe other things do on ClickBank when you're talking about 50 or 75%, but it may apply. It may be the better solution for your audience. So think about that. Okay? All right, so that's the thing, mindset. If this video was helpful, give me a thumbs up. Check out the link in the description in the pinned first comment to get access to a simple and effective step-by-step blueprint where you can start your own online business today. You can jump right into it just by clicking that link and getting started. And with that, click on the 30-minute timer here. Check out the videos here on the end screen. They'll be just as awesome as this one, maybe even more awesome. And that's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.